Let's learn how to add a variable product in WooCommerce step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to your website's admin URL, enter your username and password, and click Login. Next, on the left-hand menu, hover over Products and click Add New. Start by entering your product's name at the top and write a detailed description in the large editor below. This could include the fabric type, how it fits, or washing instructions. Scroll down to the product data box and select Variable Product from the drop-down menu. Now, go to the Attributes tab. Click Add to create a new attribute, such as size. Type the values using vertical bars, like this: small, medium, large. Be sure to check the box that says Use for Variations, then click Save Attributes. Move on to the Variations tab. Click the button to auto-generate variations and confirm when prompted. WooCommerce will create all combinations automatically. You can also add each variation manually if needed. Next, click the arrow next to each variation to expand it. Fill in the regular price, sale price if applicable, upload an image for that variation, manage stock, and add the SKU, weight, or dimensions as needed. Once your variations are set, head over to the right-hand side and upload your main product image. Below that, you can add additional gallery images. Scroll down to add a short product description. This will appear next to the product image on your site. Finally, double-check all your settings and click the blue Publish button to make your product live. And that's it. Your variable product is now ready to go in your WooCommerce store. For more assistance or to explore our full range of marketing services, contact UltraWebSA. Email us at info@ultrawebsa.co.za or visit www.ultrawebsa.co.za.